My name is Daniel Lipscomb, from Columbus, Georgia originally. When I entered into the U.S. Navy, I've been serving now for 14 years. Staying in Chesapeake, Virginia now. Currently, I've been stationed here for 3 years, and we are still getting to know the area as we've been here and been on deployment, consecutive deployments. So we're still getting to know the area, but the things we enjoy the most around here now is going to Decoys, is probably our favorite restaurant right now. We enjoy eating other areas, Chinese food and nothing but cakes, and just a lot of stuff they offer in the area out here in Western Branch that we're still trying to find some other niches that our go-tos exactly. I've seen a couple of snippets on YouTube from installations and Mr. Ryan talking. They offer great insight and give you just some guidance as far as making a decision about buying with solid structures. Our driving factor for us was the depth, and we can accommodate our family size. We have a small family that won't grow anymore, I hope. We have a family of 4, and we try to just choose a pool that would be accommodate us all, and the color something that we felt was relaxing and would kind of be what you want to call it, give us something to come out and just woo-saw in the evenings and night, and we think that after it's been installed and all the colors that we chose to go with, we think that we made the right decision. We were doing our research on pool installers, and we were calling around, getting the estimates, and really what made us go to solid structure was when we were doing our research, we've seen positive reviews, kind of guarantee. They give us the best guarantee of the warm and fuzzy feel on the inside, that their professionalism and their time of installment. Other pool companies wanted to put us on a wait list, and it was out to a year. Solid structure, they were confident that they can get the job done in or about a month, and they exceeded that timeline of a month by a week, and that's only because of the rain. And everything about them was professional, and the timelines that they set and the way that they orchestrated everything, from people who the crane to come put it in, they dig the hole to the fence, just to everything they did was very structured and timely. So currently we have not missed a day in the pool if it has not been raining or lightning outside. We've been in it every day since it's been installed and the water been balanced. We had a few people come by and get in the pool thus far. This weekend coming up is Father's Day weekend, and this is kind of our final stages of getting our patio furniture and getting it really set up. So we have expecting probably about 20 guests, and we are in great anticipation of their reaction and how they feel about it. We hope that everybody enjoys themselves as we believe they will. Maintenance has been super easy thus far. It's all pretty much push a button for the most part. There's nothing drastic about it. We got a robot that pretty much cleans the pool. If you may be able to see, it climbs up the sides of the wall, it cleans the walls. It's salt water, so it's very easy to maintain the pH balance and the chlorinity in it. So it has not been hard, and I come out here and I test the water mostly every day or every other day, and it's pretty much spot on. One time I needed a chlorine boost, and I did that from my phone. I was able to control it from my phone. I was able to do a chlorine boost, and the next day the chlorine was right back where it was supposed to be. I would recommend to anyone, as I said, as long as you construct your budget and stay within your budget, solid structures is the way to go as far as, like I said, professionalism, timeliness, and quality. They offer quality products and quality equipment, and I, without a doubt, in hindsight, I didn't have buyer's remorse not once.